Okay, so from here, let's see how would be a backwards value transfer. In the last example, we had that since A and C had the same V, the direction of the value transfer would be forward. But in this case, if A were to do a new transaction to C, the appropriate thing would be that the V, the value transfer, would be backwards. So here we see that the forward value transfer was possible made when we made an sub register of the transaction made. So here what we're gonna do is an over register of the transaction. Let's say, for example, if A were to send C 10 at this time at 30%. So here in this one, we in A sent to C 30 at 10%. So here we're gonna have A send C 10 at 30%. So in this case, the transaction value would be of 10, but since we're gonna over register the additional value, which would be 3 in this case, we would have to over register for 6. Let's see how it would be. So here in this case, the link turns into 46. A would be left with 4, since it would be 17 minus 13, and C would receive it's 10, so it would have 90. Now the auxiliary gets 3, so it becomes 6. And from here we evaluate the V in each case. Okay, I'm gonna write here something that I left over from the last part. V it's also equals to B plus B plus LO minus LE. So here we're gonna have to subtract from 90 46 and add 6, so it would be in this case 50, and in this case we will have 46 plus 4, so in this case it would be 50. So in this case, we're seeing that we are moving 10 over here, like this. We're moving 10 this way. But here, we're moving 3 this way. So with this over register and sub register in the links, we can transfer that meta value, this V, of the whole system, whereas we are doing a direct transfer of balance. Okay, and we have to update here this 10%, which is left as another exercise, but here this would be updated as 15%, but this is going to be important for distributions later.